How to animate with Blender. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is a little different. It's how to animate using the Blender software. First of all, let us open the Blender, as it empowers you to bring your 3D creations to life with animation. There is a fundamental guide to get you started. First of all, you have to understand keyframes. Animation in Blender relies on keyframes. These specify an object's property value, location, rotation, and scale at a specific point in time. By creating keyframes for changes over time, you create animation. To animate object movement, let's animate a simple movement. Switch to object mode and select your object, as I did right here using the tab button. Move to the timeline cursor to the frame where you want the animation to begin. Now move, rotate or scale your object as desired, and with the object in its new position, press I on your keyboard. As a menu appears, choose Insert Keyframe and select the specific property you want to animate. This creates a keyframe at frame 1 for that property. After that, define the animation using different keyframes, and when you play the timeline, your shape will move according to the keyframes you already set. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.